Recording.
I can't see Nick.
I can.
I can too. I can see. Nick, I can't see.
What?
Is your camera on? I can see it, Matt.
I can't hear you. What?
Turn it on. Perfect. Thanks.
Give it a few minutes.
Aw. Please keep it on. Here we go. Going off any second now. Any second. Any second now, right, Nick? Any second. Hopefully everyone's trying to film it.
Until 7:05. If it doesn't go off by then, well, we'll just wait till 6:30.
What? What?
No, wait.
Make driving difficult. Vehicles. Owners take extra caution when venturing onto Italy. Residents may wish to take action to secure trash cans, lawn furniture, and other lightweight outdoor objects that may be blown around in the strong winds. And now the extended forecast. Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s.
Nick, when is it going to go up?
Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles.
We're waiting for Nick's required weekly test.
Highs in the upper 50s.
Nick, why is your hazard light still on one of them?
What? I can't hear you.
Lows in the mid-40s. Junior day and Wednesday night, cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the mid-50s.
Nick, where is it?
Fort Worth NOAA Hazards Radio transmitter which broadcasts on a frequency of 160.
Whoa, I did not expect all you guys to be here. What's up, guys?
What's up?
This transmitter will likely be off the air for
Yo, Steve.
technicians
Yeah.
of the problem.
I got
Broadcast will resume as soon as possible.
I saw that. Big ball.
There we go. Cannot see.
Found my camera.
Please show us the videos, the radios, please. Look, I can't see. Thank you.
Potentially dangerous weather situations, special filters can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the performance are normally
By the National Weather Service in Fort Worth.
between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, over the next available good weather day, this broadcast and especially the warning
It is perfect.
this variation normally more noticeable at greater though you are using a good point. The warning alarm will be activated. Warnings for the following counties. concludes the test. C-55.
Well, that was close. I just barely got my camera ready.
Bye, Steve.
What was
Hey,
that?
Matt.